Hello, welcome to my channel Original Yoon. Here we have the succulent stem cuttings in water. Here we have the Echeveria, family kind, and the moonstone succulent. You can really see this one couple weeks propagation. Just make sure that the stem is dry and not touching the water, because if the stem is constantly wet in water, then the stem will rot. From my own experience, of course, and the roots self will go towards the water to obtain the water. Now, be patient, and sometimes there's some kind of mold growing, but that's okay. You can wipe that off and the roots will eventually grow towards the water. So I need to replace this water and clean up the mold. And just make sure to refresh the water every 1 to 2 days. And especially when it's sunny, they will suck up the water much faster than normal. Thanks for watching. Bye.